Hello friends, today we'll look into a very important topic, that is choosing the right planter or pot for your container gardening, the advantages and disadvantages of each, and some very important factors and tips to consider during pot selection. In the end, we'll finalize which is the best pot for container gardening based on our research. So please watch the video till the end. If you are a hobby gardener or interested in growing plants, consider subscribing to this channel. Also, turn on the notification bell icon and you won't miss anything. I'll start with this important line. The pots really make a difference in the growth of plants. Many gardeners have their own preferences regarding the choice of containers for their plants, whether clay pot or plastic or cement pots. If you're confused on how to choose the right container for your home gardening or terrace gardening, you're not alone. There are a lot of people out there who really need help in solving this puzzle. Please watch this entire video, and by the end of this video you should be able to make a decision on choosing the right container for your gardening. Containers are made up of many materials including clay, cement, ceramic, brass or any other metal, fiberglass, stone pots, wooden pots, coco coir pots and whatnot. Just think about these factors one by one, and this will help you in making a decision. The first one is cost, the second the durability, the third the pros and cons of each option, that is the advantages and disadvantages of each. Firstly, we'll start with plastic pots. Plastic pots are generally a cheaper option, and they further come in 3 or more options or colors. Choosing a color is also important. You remember one common concept we learned in 7th standard physics, that is black bodies are good absorbers of heat. These plastic pots come in terracotta color, light color and black color. Black color is the one what most of these nursery guys use. So black is not my preferred option because it absorbs more heat. If you want, you can use these for plants that prefer indirect light or even shade without any problems. The advantages of these are they're cheaper, easily available even in supermarkets, they are lightweight, durable, do not break easily, easy to clean, easy to make multiple drainage holes, come in different sizes and shapes, and they are decorative. Now the disadvantages. The first one is they get heated up soon when kept in direct sunlight and can kill the beneficial microorganisms in the soil and can burn the roots. If you're keeping in indirect light or filtered light, no issues. One most important problem with plastic is environmental and health hazards, particularly if you're using it from an unreliable company. Make sure you use the least toxic ones, that is #2 HDPE, #4 LDPE and #5 PP. Try to avoid #3 PVC and #6 PS, and also #7 polycarbonate, especially for food gardens. Currently majority of these plant pots are made from PP, that is polypropylene #5. Currently one of the safer plastics. However, it's better to check than to assume things. Cement and ceramic pots. These have similar pros and cons. The advantages of these pots are they are more visually appealing and come in different sizes and shapes because they can be molded into any shape and size. They do not break so easily like the clay pots, but still they are breakable unlike plastic pots. Ceramic pots are costly but look very attractive. The disadvantages of these are they do not provide lateral aeration unlike clay pots because they do not have the porosity in the walls, and hence they can get heated up and produce bad results if kept in hot sunlight. One more issue with these concrete or cement pots is, and most of us are unaware of this, is they can affect soil pH because the concrete is rich in lime and can slowly release into the soil and make the soil more alkaline, which can be toxic for most acid-loving plants. Before moving on to the clay pots, we'll quickly run through other options like wooden pots, stone pots and styrofoam containers. The styrofoam boxes, which most people call thermocol boxes, are good option when they're new and they can insulate the plants well by reflecting the heat, especially in summer. They are cheap and sometimes you can get them free of cost. They are lightweight and durable. The most important and dangerous drawback of these is the polystyrene material hazard, because as it gets older it can degrade and release toxic carcinogenic substances into the soil. Then Stone containers, they are very attractive but are costly and heavy and are not easily available and very difficult to lift or shift. Then wooden containers are a good option, but if the timber used to make them is from a reliable source or company. Bamboo planters are good and look attractive for small ornamental plants. Then wooden containers also provide good insulation to plants from heat. The major drawback is they attract insects and pests like termites. And also if timber is of bad quality, it can start rotting. Then metallic pots, they can get heated up very fast and bad for sun-loving plants. Some containers can get rusted and also drilling drainage holes can be a difficult task. Then moving on to clay pots, they have the best advantages from plant health perspective, like they are porous and provide excellent drainage from all sides and also lateral aeration. They can be kept in direct sunlight without any issues or damage to the plant roots. The only disadvantage of these pots is they are very fragile and can break easily. Then coming to grow bags, a relatively new concept in home gardening. They are easily available in various sizes and are very cheap. They are lightweight and ideal for terrace gardening, and most reliable ones are UV resistant and safe. The problem is that they don't look much attractive. So there we have it, folks. By now you should have decided your favorite container for home gardening. Please let me know in the comment section below the video. Which one according to you is the best universal container for home gardening? Please give a thumbs up to the video if you like it and share the video with your friends. Consider subscribing to the channel if you are new to the channel. Happy gardening!